tutor and classmates. My name is Kelly Joanna. Today we are going to talk about the task 3 of the course Teaching English for Specific Purposes. This activity is about to work on a chosen scenario. The scenario that I chose is an architect is hiring you because she has a month to prepare and take an English exam, by means of which she may be promoted to a better position at the company she works for. She has a B1 level of English and manages a good range of vocabulary. She speaks with some fluency, but needs to prepare for the writing, language use, and reading parts of the exam. So, for this activity, we are going to design some strategies in order to get the goal of this learning process. So, given that the student has 1 month to prepare for a writing exam and needs to strengthen her writing, reading, and language use skills, it is necessary to resort to strategies that involve the development of these skills, and to achieve this, it is important to determine what the writing style is, learning that is more appropriate for her. When we are establishing the learning needs, we got to talk with the student, we got to know her needs, why she needs to learn this for, what are the skills that she needs to improve. We already know for reading the scenario that she has a level of English, she has knowledge of the language, but taking into account that this is a writing exam, she needs to improve her writing, her reading, and her using of language. So, the analysis of the student's needs is necessary for the design of a learning course with a specific purpose to be effective. It allows defining the learning objectives and how to direct the teaching. Analysis involves listing a series of questions that allow us to identify what the learning objective is and what learning strategies and methodologies are those that should or need to be applied. Based on the chosen scenario, the following can be analyzed: the course objectives, methodology, strategies, and learning needs. Regarding the skills that the students need to improve, according to the scenario, it can be said that they are writing, develop skills that allow her to improve her writing and how to prepare writings for academic purposes, since it is a writing exam. Reading. Taking into account that she has a B1 level of English and handles a good range of vocabulary, it is necessary to generate learning strategies that involve composition and reading comprehension. Language use. To improve skills in the use of the language, tools can be used that promote the interpretation of text and inductive grammar, listening, watching, and reading news in English. The methods that we are going to use in order to get the goals of the learning process, we are going to make a diagnosis of the student's level of English and compare it with the level required by the exam she is going to take. In this way, a learning strategy can be developed focused on what she needs. Together with the student, teacher, and student, determine which learning method best suits their abilities. We are going to use online tools that allow the students' performance to be improved in the development of exams with a limited time. In this way, it will be possible to determine in which areas of the language the student should study more. Develop with the student an exam of the same type that she is going to take. So this is in order to practice and demonstrate weaknesses and strengths in terms of writing and interpreting tests. We are going to have a bunch of variables, and these are time, learning style, needs, skills, English level, goal learning, and learning motivation. Time, we know that she has a month to get improved to her skills. So now we know that we have 30 days in order to get the goal. That is, pass the exam, Learning style, we are going to determine how she learns, what is the way that she learns more and better, and get the knowledge. Needs, what she needs to learn, what she needs to strengthen, what she needs to get better on, and get improved. Her skills, we are going to determine how is that English level that she really has, and how we can to apply in order to get improved her skills. English level, goal learning. The goal learning is can pass the exam in order to she can be promoted on her job. And learning motivation. The learning motivation is the same that we are saying previously. Her motivation is that she wants to learn. She needs to pass the exam in order to get promoted. We are going to set in learning objectives. Be prepared to present a writing exam. Improved the writing and reading skills. She has a month to prepare and take an exam. At this setting learning objectives, I would like to add these orders that we are talking about of our learning objectives. Hutchinson and Waters, 1987, page 19. Define ESP as an approach to language teaching in which all decisions as to content are based on the learner's reason in learning. We are going to apply online activities. On writing, we have this online activity. This is going to be useful in order to get her writing skills. Reading, we have one test, online test, and in language use, we got this other link. It's going to be very, very useful in order to get the goal learned. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this presentation was understandable and playful for you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.